many G. Emma, semi wafa si fo semi nana no mu. Ene se anwade ene enimo nyama womo akwa-akwaji ama Ghana. I nam sensem fun Ghana henti no. Sa amayewa no. Yentimi mo mabaso. Eme yenhu se amayewa totofia wa we. Eti ba akwa-akwaji abodi ni kese. Ewiase nyina o. Ewiase nyina enya Africa. Enya West Africa. The whole world. Robotics here. I say ye pese ye hu se nipa ye be ye wo se machine ene niam mfidie a ye de ye niam factories ni maniam eye automated eno kro bi ani ho machine na timi hyehyɛ bibia te sɛ ne car bay machine timi hyehyɛ na emayo bi wo Ghana ha na die bufu hini sɛ sa gender advocacy ni nyina omo wo hemfa including Ghana Education Service. Yes, menya se omo kono mo so omo se but the question is omo ba ye no e die na ye ya ma nkora no meka school bia ewo Manfi Methodist girls Manfi Methodist secondary school Manfi mutie ni yo ewo akuapem anya Wesley girls anya Holy Child anya St. Louis anya GIS anya samu eskafomu schools ni bio Manfi ehwo na nkura no wo mo wa emayewa asobodi a mo di ama Ghana na ye mo ba ye no Ghana asa nkura no amonani a me kokase de bia broni ni nyansa ya na mafo gimechenye ba na nka nkura no enka either technical ye obi wa ha no ma anasa even companies mo be use sa nema no robotics no ba na nkoma fefa nkora no mo scholarship mo makwakoye ne mapapa na mibisa wo nkora no kora ye omo ba ye no what is say ya baaje omo so blasters fo omo esikafo omo disanfo omo na ko bo ba ya kama ko gina Kotoka airport muni mu ministers ene mo hehefo kade achi ya mudo mo ko Flagstaff house empenifres ka fo ma jiska kura chen Ghana e obia wa ha no mo kura no omo kura ba mudo mo ko Flagstaff house na nkura kete omo ko Manfi o mutie ni ye enye Kumase enye Nkran enye Cape Coast enye Tamale enye Koforidua enye wo Manfi krona mu etisen na sebi school secondary school emayewa nya mema na me kan Ghana ha mema ko bo over the bar na mana mo na Christian mo na majeja mo because sebi ema kwa ko bo ball ba eri na ye ma wo mo bo na kra na mo ne mema ne ba mema no ya jeji o mo so e ba bedi sanfu kire ye no enkran keten nyame chira wo mo na Ghana ha maka mesi ya nwene broni aban na nka san kra we enka schools a atuagu wo mo so e pedi bra ba bia don beko ama wo mo etimi anya nimde sa kra keto wetima ko wini robotics a wuri dia obetima ya da acheso wonyamoa amoti Ghana hansem fu na mo kekeka no ensem hunu ni yedie no o ma da ache ombetimi apagya Ghana no ye fi wo mo ji o mo mbe wiye sika o mbe disika ba hat o mbe di muasam enye so mo so Ghana na nkura wei me say ba ko fu mebusuem a ka be me de papa because akwa ketwa robotics o mu twa Japan obi enim senka Japanese for there robotics there come in mo omutwa America omutwa the whole world omnum di first free Manfi Methodist secondary school enye mo niwu Ministry of Education gender one ministry one advocacy groups no amuna moye and equality for women and ede na moye na be na dachi akura o baby so etimi anya awehemu se minua koba ye no se ne ye ma no and bi so me yire me ho chen na ye be more than that amame ne ati kroma ensem hunu ana pani a friend this in MPP for ne abeki kan ensem hunu a kire yen asema ye o yen nyenim sentro no mu mieni nyina atwa no ma beki ka kire yen ne ati kroma en crank it of totofia wawe emayiwa school no omo head mistress ene de mi ye bi obi bo se school papa bi wo manfi on ka say em fa ne ba chinchira em fa ne ko Wesley girls bi o ye di ko bi papa menya minua ba gift auntie wono no oye sa manwa on pese omo ma tumpon no menya gifty
Minia.
Hey, what here at is saying?
Nyamia do me ho ye.
Gifty?
Yes.
Mira who?
Asefem kaka.
Mira ho, yes, me dia nya asefem dia mira ho.
But your friend say na mekan say sisia no. Me akasa no, I don't want to believe say nida ho na omo de yes no, but I just want to believe say they are planning something. Because me akasanya unfortunately no mebu me name munya sanka airport or miko obi
Menyini say menyini kwa so obi akwa airport.
That's what is bothering me.
Yes.
Say there was no minister there was no government delegation there to receive them near there no.
No media, Gifty, no media.
Are you saying there was no media there? Are you sure?
I saw it on Ghana Web. And the photos that I saw, was the photos that they got the cap near them omo Michigan no, and the kita omo any try. Me who Ghana photo be
It's And Ghana, your friend saying, Mission Nakasana war US and do anything for them.
Thank you.
Did they host them?
Me matisi say omo kono. Ministry of Education no mu hiaska be 80,000 bi. Now, Ministry of Education for the Sohomase, which is good, positive. But the question is,
even the Deputy Minister, Dr. Educhum or something, he personally made some contribution to it as well.
Thank you. Why are they
to support him? Yes.
But these
girls need to be celebrated big time.
Paraded. They need to be paraded.
Yes, through the principal streets of this country.
Yes.
All the regional capitals.
Thank you.
Everywhere, for every girl across the country to know that it doesn't matter baby awufi. It doesn't matter baby awuko school. You can work hard. You can be an achiever. And you're more call school akesi no kwa na betumi aye baby. Nti media nyame friend say abai sabi K3 Enimenim ya organize baby. I know some Manfi is planning something Manfi hene de sabi minua penny mehene yakomu hene nua nti oyeme wofa. But I know he's planning something big for the whole Deba. But then as a country no so as a nation as government they na ya man kolai.
You know what I'm worried about?
Yeah, the mom with lifetime scholarship.
The Americans say by now arrangements should be made with some high, maybe at MIT, one of those international technical institutes, you know. Say NASA, Kurana, they'll go for an internship.
Yeah.
Are you getting my point? That is how you promote.
Yes, I do.
Yes, but you see, my worry is blasters. Jimmy Samamudi Wagana ha. And it's a form of Wagana ha. And when you form my millions of dollars.
Yeah.
Come no mobile. You cover who Kotoka Airport.
Yes. And no mobile make I was surprised on my pictures. I was see who can media may a year go platform so crana. Me who say Omaba. Man who she so more beba nothing.
Give the media man take or more couple. Mate so maba. Because the question is ebi omo kokra na ebi a ye ni hope. But omo kwa win first place.
Yes.
In the world though. And I'm excited about
it.
Worldwide.
And Ghana, and Africa.
Sankankwa omo free Wesley girls and I say Holy Child, Achimota, GIS kwa say bia omo ye equal to be America high school.
Yeah.
Where the almost normal science lab correct saying? That's the question I'm asking.
Yeah.
Almost science lab. By now come by. If that school has the capacity, the capability to churn out these kids with that some mediocre lab no more now. By now their lab should be the most of the top by now. Gifty and Timam Morgan am more then.
Yeni na ya de ko wan yamba nko ade e yeni na ya de nkola no emba na oba na obema na ewo mo it yeni na ya de
abikwanya mi bisa se ama de ebia mema de te mema de gifty te u de te ebia mema de ye selfish ye timi a fight for ye de ye mi bisa se enti ma so no e de na mo so mo ya ye so ebia ye ba beboa mo ama na ye.
Well, yeah, at the moment, I don't know anything that the gender fraternity are planning, but I know that a few people I belong to a group known as Women in Leadership International, Willie. They are planning to celebrate them. I was planning, but my team and I are planning to host them on the standpoint to, celebrate them. And I know other individuals are doing it, but as a group, I haven't heard anything, but it's not true. Too late. Now is the time to raise awareness. Obi beka so mobile do 1 week into what say no Emma is good say did because Ghana after 2 weeks this is we have to keep up the momentum. We have to make the noise. We have to raise awareness. Now something must be done to make the girls feel that Ghana. They feel appreciated. They feel that they've achieved something. They become role models for other girls. And see, media appeal now, media call out there. Government, civil society, telcos, companies, you're making noise to say they say you're gender sensitive and so on and so forth. No, we should use these girls as flagship to promote girl education, to promote the capabilities of girls, irrespective of where they are coming from. It's appeal na meye keke. So yeni na yambra together. It's good you are talking about it. Good kenewu. So program kasani.
Sana I no.
And it's out there. Thank you for raising it. We need to pick it up. We need to keep up the momentum. We need to use the social media campaign to make sure say girls see they don't just vanish out of the system, but we monitor them, we make them an example, we promote them, we protect them, and then push them to achieve their dreams.
Nanaye, Mami, let me give you a few examples whereby I think the Ghanaian society, including women, hasn't been fair to women.
Yeah.
The little I know, Asempa Fm, she won Junior Olympics gold medal, Malta Bisa.
Yeah.
Gold medal. Oh.
Yeah.
Junior Olympics.
Yeah.
I got to know just by a chance. Now, Madame Fubi event to raise money to do the fastest person in Ghana, Rex Roby.
Yeah. Rex Roby.
Yes.
Yes.
Then I went there. And that day I was angry because a whole corporation, the amount of money that they used to support the girl, I got angry and I gave more than that corporation.
Yeah.
Number two, even girls from my many friends said, "Oh boy, I'll be 16 years." Your friends again, no. Miss Bell.
Yeah.
Okay. Eba na senya nyame fa ne krensie akore ya osi su ya na nka na nyom ke pushi na
Ebony, yeah.
Blasters women's team no. Womo kwa bakwa atete adi omu fam. Enso mema na omu kwa omu koko jimie no. Omu de omu ba ye so omu so.
Yeah.
And these are the examples, even a few examples I can put out.
Yes. No, you are right. You're absolutely right. You know, say a cat Black Stars a cover buses a first I'm out for it. Supporters you have to take Ghana to go and support them. Meanwhile, Black Queens, not a Black princesses say you know, that's I want to watch it.
Thank you.
Meanwhile, Black Queens when I win a World Cup, and Black Stars call a friends a World Cup.
Yes.
Now so. The struggle they go through. Yeah, campion one. The struggles they go through. There's a camp somewhere in Pram area.
Yes, almost say Center for Center for Sports Excellence as a BBC.
Maybe sanitary.
Part Grabinio. This is the country that you and I live in.
Nana, country.
Mami, now I say, now say we dey mean I can. Because me fee say me nim say school no da so school a wo mo ho a metuka na makọ akọhwehwe nkora no
omo school.
Thank you.
The school is still in session.
Na you we the answer abakọ no efutuo bi a wo de man ka obetimi de tu a na kamada wase
yo na me can say emba etie ne social embaba you are omudi nyoma bi esi omani so omo pese omo ye de bu omo ho de bu omo ebusua omo community ne omo man no ma we mbu omo abem debi ye nyina no kakra ye ya na ye de bua good times will come ya we need that to say ye be ya ma ya ma no or say we see we need to say so we will your opportunity a we be ya ma obi enti ma mo bia be mumbu mama yankunko yenim kakra ye betumi aye amanfo etie omom betumi donate bibi to these girls to the school to make them feel it doesn't matter say you bo din on radio say ambokra na something that will appreciate these girls and other girls for what they are doing, their little efforts and pamucho. Just go ahead. I'm sure Seminia Kofi can say he's a rallying point.
Yo, Nana, wait
you best support it.
Yo.
Ma obia be mumbu. Mama yankunko yenim.
Martina
na kibiano ebeye yamai.
Yo, Mr. Meda was a pass, me fro, woje me so. Etiefo, mo amasumo, ye say mutimi frɛ. Se mo yi mo mama. E mama wo krom ha me makika bebre ebony. Wakɔ ro wo mo se na atade ye ntientia. Se so ogojina, shatawale kokɔ ro no dross. E de na mo ye. Akwa ro no dross ebony ba ko no when the shake right so ma ko no friends by old one no Miss Bell e dey na man fa anya Miss Bell and so me Jimmy dia mo ntimi nka ne tibetre ko makoma yi sa etiefo momrem 0302216545 0302216546 0302216546 say school one man fi. Hello. Yes, sir. Me patcho me chiao. Me patcho me chiao. Me udu radio na. Okay. Me patcho fra do radio no why? Yes, sir. Feedback no be my line akate. Hello.
Yeah, Kavi.
Yes, sir.
Important.
Boko.
Mami call God kaka. Yeah, what a for be ninja. Wo musi unkra 500 Ghana.
Many chabo de china. Me ebito me na no memre da na me bufu ye wo de shabotre medi wudwuma tie don't worry me to say wo de twaso me say na no memre da ebito me enti bi nimpa why minimum pa shabotre me ebito me enti wo de mobi mrem wo de kira be ye.
Thank you.
Yo. Hello Mayor
I want to say
Boko and then the original fan I said your voice, I said the ocean to group me. Yo, Mati, Cosway.
But I mean, Campo, any team of fun, any been working on fire, and Michelle Watson.
Medas.
When shall Papa, my service as someone who can hear, or what to go double. Government 100 million, just 100 million. I may call shop at the time of 100 million, and then come up with a marry. Hey, look company, a bit so solid. Hey, Blaster, that's our call. Africa Cup, you buy a good second. Car, and more players. Prayers and 23 prayers in a moment.
Mate. Hello. Sorry. 0302216545. 0302216546. Share ene ewiase be edru no. Yentimi kan e man show. Emra so say di oba betimi aye no. Yemwa no me emma wo mi fie pa. Pa ntima wunya me pa. Na yentimi ntra ho. Eme say na you can say SDM sustainable development goals. Then ekeka kan brofo akese. Me we adwuma na ebe ye no yentimi nye. Hello.
Hello, Bakofi.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Musumru ni Edama.
Musumru koso.
No crime. I mention on the mapa.
Me dance.
I mention woman be o faster pass anti Naomi.
Sure, koso.
Bakofi was no crime. The omedia epesi tumpo na konka no. Onyi emba nsrim. Esa me say emma wo some nimdie bi a omode boa me mama mpuntu oba even efie kura drubo bi ana be ma adwin bi ache so ana say wo drubo bi a management wo fie kura na oba na de na adwin be ba se yenye ne ni na emmu no Bakofi omu say emmayiwa no bebre nu ahwe omu emba mpanifo no bi ene omu sesofo na bi sua ade so enti say ebi a wo yo oba bi na bi wadu stage bi okoko yi wo hu anawi na wonum anase dwaman na wobo na se mayiwa ni bi hu omutimi sua nti na duru bebi a Ghana for me man yedimi kaseti
na me patro na be ma de onum wi be ma de oyi ni hu de awuntimi nka ene de entimi nse nkora aha da bi musumutie asra me kan tio se enye mam ma de a ene enye mam ma
Matias here.
Thank you. Me excuse. What can say ma can we? Me excuse. Me that's obusumuru. Me that's oh. Therefore, me na ebre. Kanewu ensemfo ehin wo kan obewu.